like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This Yaskawa drive, which is a part of the A1000 series of motor controls, was sent in from a machine shop after refusing to start up. Yaskawa motor drives like these are used in all sorts of industries, like machining and semiconductor manufacturing, and oftentimes begin to fail from power supply issues. In order to get the unit to work for this power-up test, we rebuilt the unit and repaired its faulty internal power supply. Units like these may also give faults when they run outside of their systems, but to ensure those faults aren't a problem, we give every repair our 3-year warranty, in case the issue doesn't resolve with reinstallation. We have been working on Yaskawa drives for 3 decades, and usually have them in working order within a week, so if you're having issues, call now for a quote.